Hello, hi dear students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss in pair of straight lines. In that, the area of triangle formed by the pair of lines and the line. So let us have a discussion. The first question: show that the area of triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 and the line lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is mod n square into root of h square minus ab divided by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. This result we have to prove that. So as we discussed in the previous sessions, we know that the given pair of lines can be expressed as the combination of two lines which are passing through the origin as shown in the figure, L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. This is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So by comparing like options on both sides, we will get the result. So let us discuss the answer. First, given pair of lines, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation 1 can be represented as ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to the combined equation of these two. That means L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. So now ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to actual multiplication. Here you have to do that. L1x into L2x, L1 L2 x square, L1 M2 x into y, xy I am taking common, L1 M2, next M1 L2 x into y, xy already taken common, M1 into L2. That means L2 M1. In the previous questions I discussed, once you go through, dear students, plus M1y into M2y, M1 M2 into y square, M1 M2 into y square. Now comparing like coefficients on both sides. Comparing like coefficients on both sides. So first I am comparing x square. X square, like this we are giving arrow mark, means we are comparing on both sides x square coefficients. So here x square coefficient is a, here x square coefficient is L1 L2. You put it in box. This value we will use in the coming steps. Next, xy coefficients we are comparing. Here xy coefficient is 2h. Here xy coefficient is L1 M2 plus L2 M1. Next, y square coefficient here is b, in RHS is M1 M2. So this is the given pair of lines representing this way. And given line Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 means this line not passing through the origin. So here I am representing here this line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Now we got one triangle here. So this is the point of intersection of these two lines is obviously origin. Solving these two equations, you will get A point. Solving these two, you will get B point. So this area we are going to calculate. So to get the area of triangle, we need to calculate the vertices of a triangle. The vertices of a triangle. So origin is the whose coordinates are 0, comma 0. A coordinates I am taking as x1, comma y1. B coordinates I am taking as x2, comma y2. So the area of triangle we are going to calculate now. So first solve equation L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and Lx plus My plus L equal to 0. You will get x1, comma y1. First I will rub this, after that I will do that. Now solving equations, solving L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and Lx plus My plus L equal to 0. So the point of intersection of these two we have taken as x1, y1. So by using cross multiplication method, in cross multiplication method, first you have to write y coefficient m1, after that constant 0, next x coefficient L1, again y coefficient you have to write it. In the second equation, write y coefficient m, constant n, x coefficient L, after that again you have to write y coefficient. In between first 2 points, 2 columns here, you can write x1. Why? Because the point of intersection of these two lines we have taken as x1, y1. Suppose if you are taking as x, comma y, here you have to write x. But I am assuming here the point of intersection of these two lines as x1, y1. So here x1, in between these two columns y1, and here 1. This is the procedure of cross multiplication method. After that, like if you assume this one m1 0 mn as 2 by 2 matrix whose determinant you can calculate simply. So x1 divided by nm1 minus 0, nm1 minus 0, y1 divided by 0 minus NL1, 1 divided by ML1 minus LM1. By equating these two, you will get the values of x1, y1. See here, x1 by NM1 is equal to 1 by ML1 minus LM1. That implies x1 equal to nm1, I am taking this side. So nm1 divided by ml1 minus lm1. Similarly, equating y coordinate and 1. So y1 by minus nl1 is equal to 1 by ml1 minus lm1. So that implies that y1 equal to minus nl1 I am taking here, minus nl1 divided by ml1 minus lm1. So the point of intersection of L1x plus M1y equal to 0 and Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 is, therefore A of x1 y1 equal to nm1 by ml1 minus lm1 minus nl1 divided by ml1 minus lm1. Similarly, solving L2x plus M2y equal to 0 and Lx plus My plus N equal to 0, you will get x to y2. Similarly, solving L2x plus M2y equal to 0 and and Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. Then solving these, then we get B of x to y2 second coordinate. This one. The coordinates how we are going to write is, I will tell one logic here. Observe carefully, dear students. Without solving this procedure, again you have to do that cross multiplication method. See here, I am going to get the x2 y2 coordinates. So solving this equation and this equation, what is the change in this? L2 M2 only. So wherever x1 y1 is there, x2 y2 you have to write it. Wherever m1 n1 is there, you have to write m2 l2. So x2 value will becomes nm2. Wherever m1 l1 is there, m2 l2. So nm2 divided by ml2 minus lm2, comma, minus nl2 divided by ml2 minus lm2. Like this, B of x2 y2 nm2 by ml2 minus lm2, comma, minus nl2 by ml2 minus lm2. After getting of A of x1 y1, B of x2 y2 and area of origin, area of triangle OAB, we know that the area of triangle OAB is one of the vertex is origin among the three vertices. One of the vertex is origin. The formula is delta equal to half into mod x1 y2 minus x2 y1. You have to remember this x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Now in place of x1 y2 x2 y1, these values x1 y1 x2 y2, substitute in this. So step by step I will do that. I will rub the board, I will do it. Now substitute these x1 y2 and x2 y1 values, these we have. So half into delta equal to half into x1, this is the value of x1, nm1 by ml1 minus lm1 into y2, y2 value is this one, minus nl2 divided by ml2 minus lm2 minus x2 is this one, nm2 by ml2 minus lm2 into y1 value is minus nl1 divided by ml1 minus lm1, so which is equal to half into mod, here minus, here also minus, minus into minus is plus. Anyway, denominator is same. Observe carefully. LCM, this value and this value is same. ml1 minus lm1 into ml2 minus lm2. Now we are multiplying the numerators. Minus n into n minus n square. m1 l2 minus into minus is plus n square into L1 M2. In the next step, n square I am taking common. Half into n square you take common. First you write positive term L1 M2 minus M1 L2 divided by actual multiplication ML1 into ML2 M square L1 L2. Next, ML1 minus LM1 minus LM L1 M2. Next, multiply these two. Minus LM into M1 L2. Next, minus into minus is plus LM1 into LM2. L square M1 N2. So after this, it's very important step. You remember that, dear students. This numerator in the form of x minus y, it is in this bracket value x minus y. But in the proof, root of h square minus ab is there. N square we got it. This value we are going to prove as h square minus ab. So to get this value as a root, here it is in the form of x minus y. From algebra formulae, x minus y can be written as root of x plus y whole square minus 4xy. X minus y. This value is x, this value is y. So the numerator value we are going to write as half into n square root of x minus y can be written as x plus y whole square. X value is what? L1 M2 plus M1 L2. Y value is M1 L2 whole square minus 4 into xy L1 M2 M1 L2. So divided by L1 L2 M square. From these two minus LM I am taking common, minus LM into L1 M2 plus M1 L2 plus M1 M2 into L square, bracket close. In the previous steps, we have the results. A is equal to L1 L2, 2H equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1 and B equal to M1 M2. So wherever L1 M2, L2 M1 L2 or L2 M1 is there, you have to replace with 2H. L1 L2 A, M1 M2 is B. So in the denominator itself you have to write it. So it will becomes half into n square root of this value is 2h whole square minus 4 into L1 L2 value is A, M1 M2 value is B divided by A M square, bracket value is 2h into Lm minus 2h Lm plus M1 M2 is B L square. So here 2h whole square is 4 now. 4 we can take outside of the root. It will becomes 1 by 2 n square root of 4h square minus 4ab divided by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. 4 take out common. We will get half into n square into 2 root of h square minus ab divided by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. So here 2 get cancelled. We will get the ultimate step. Therefore the area of the triangle formed by the given pair of lines as well the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is n square into root of h square minus ab divided by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square units. Hence proved. This is the way you have to do that area of triangle formed by the pair of lines on the line. This step is turning step here. I already given a mark here. This is the turning step. You keep it. Concentrate on this step, dear students. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are coming with the homogenizing second degree equation with the help of first degree equation. That concepts and the related questions in the coming video. Thank you all. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you. Thank you all. Signing off. Maths with Panindra.